yeah. Another thing I'll be unboxing is an RGB tube light, which cost me 23,000 naira. So, as you can see, the item is still in the box, and I'm just going to proceed to unbox it. So you can see the picture at the top right corner of my screen of how it looked when I purchased it. Okay, so you can see, guys, it looks exactly as it was online, and I'm just going to go ahead to cut and see what is inside and whether I have been scammed once again. Alright, so I like what I'm seeing. I think this is exactly the same thing I ordered, unlike the flowers, which made me actually feel bad. But now, alright, so you can see the the carton and how it looks like. I'm just going to bring it out. Alright, so here is the RGB light. I've removed the nylon. I don't know what is on the back, whether it's a solar panel. I'm just going to test it. But in the front, as you can see, guys, it looks good. But now is the time to test and see how it works. Like I said before, these panels at the back, I don't know if it's for charging with the sun. I'm not sure. I'm just going to look at it. It also has a USB cord, which I'm going to use to recharge it. I'll actually check if it's charged after this video, but right now, as you can see, the point where I'm pointing to, it is a point where you can fix it on the tripod stand. If in case you want to fix this thing on a tripod stand, you can actually fix it and use it as a fill light of some sort to probably beautify your face from another angle. So it has 6 buttons, and you can see I'm just gonna turn it on. So right now it's on. This is the white light. The white light is actually bright, but that's not the reason why I purchased it. The main reason why I ordered this is for the RGB lights, because I want to use it against the wall and give myself some sort of illumination on my background, which will color my video more. So I'm looking for where I can press to on the RGB light. Okay, so I just got it. So this is one of the colors that I just put on. I think this is orange, and yeah, it is not what I expected actually. At this point, I was expecting this light to be more bright than this. To be honest, I was expecting it to be brighter than this. But what I'm seeing right now, anyways, I will try to change to other colors. But from what I'm seeing right now, I don't think it would give me that illumination that I want. I've turned up the lights to see how it would look like in the dark. So it's still daytime, and there's still some daylight coming in through the window. So I think it's not as bad as I initially thought. It's actually, I think it can serve the purpose. Maybe I just need to get extra one or two to give me what I really want. All right, so maybe I'll just manage this one for now and see how I'm going to properly utilize it. So you can see the green light on it, which I think it actually looks good. I honestly wish those flowers were bigger than this, but I would still manage it. Guys, to be honest, this light, I think it costs more than its performance, because spending 23,000 naira on this item, I expected more brightness from it. But to be honest, okay, so I was trying to check if that was the highest. So I reduced it and I turned it back to the highest. And yeah, that's just the highest. So probably I'll just have to get more of this, and that would be the way that I can get exactly what I want. So guys, look at that. I think it looks good. I think it looks good. Let me know, what do you think?